But before we start today's video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell notification icon, and like, share, and comment to this video.
I am here today with the Bopcal high-speed hairdryer. I'm super excited about this because it already comes in a sleek box, but they also claim that because of the fact that they use negative ions to dry your hair, that you will have less frizz and thus less static. I live in an area where it's winter right now. My hair gets so staticky and I hate it. I've hated it forever. And if I could get a hairdryer that reduces that, that'd be amazing. So let's open this up and see what we think of it. So of course, right off the bat, we have our directions. We have our beautiful new machine here. It's power cord and one of its brushes that goes onto it. This magnetically attaches, so no screwing on things anymore. This is all a soft layer in here, so that's kind of fancy. This is kind of fancy looking, nice and sleek. This is going to be great for anybody who is traveling here. Well, as you can see by my lovely hairdo right now, I am ready to blow dry my hair. I am excited to use my Bopcal hairdryer. Just the small things about this are that I love that it has a little cat design on the outside here. I don't know if that was on purpose or if that was just an accident, but I love that fact. It also has easy to follow buttons in that I have the on-off switch right here, and this also will help control my speed and my temperature control button. And all that is actually seen right up here for those red, green, and yellow lights. And that I press that right here to change those. And then also my control panel of high power or low panel is right here too. And so they just made it really simple and easy to figure out. And in comparison to my traditional hairdryer, you can see it right back here. This thing is so tiny. Like that big thing takes up so much counter space, and this thing doesn't. I am amazed. And looking inside, it doesn't look super scary or sketchy or anything else like some of those older ones. I love that this just magnetically clips on, and my cord is nice and thick. I feel like that's just a super rugged cord. It even comes with a little wrap to help me control my cord, because this is a 6-foot cord to help you in any travel situations, whether you're in a hotel and you need your ionic hairdryer, or you're camping and you're blowing drying your hair in a restaurant. I have seen this before. Also, lastly, the filter is super easy to clean here. It pops off right there, and I can wipe all the dust off, and I'm ready to go again. So let's blow dry my hair, see what my frizz looks like at the end, because I need to get going here. So while I press the buttons, you can watch the screen and see as it changes. So here I am on my low power, low wind speed, high power, and high temperature. You switch to cool temperature or to medium temperature. I can do low fan and high speed, low. And you can actually feel the difference as it's heating up and going. So pretty cool. I really do like this idea. And even after I just had it running, this isn't that hot to touch and take off. So what that tells me is when I'm traveling, I can take this, I can do my hair, I can be done with it, toss it in my bag, and continue on with my day. So let's get this mess blow dried up and cleaned up, because it's going crazy here. The Bopcal Ionic hairdryer is equipped with a high-speed brushless motor. It achieves powerful airflow up to 36 meters per second, 5 times faster than any others. The Bopcal Ionic blow dryer will release 200 million negative ions while drying. This neutralizes static and gives you a frizz-free do. Let's try some high heat. It has 16 different functions to help you customize your speed and heat levels. The temp indicator has a light to help you identify what temperature you are at. Red is 176 degrees, yellow 140 degrees, and green is a cool dry. With easy transitions, you are able to switch between these modes quickly and easily, and there is even a memory function to help you remember what you used last time. This is perfect for travel with a 6-foot cord and only weighing in at 0.89 pounds, a comfy grip, and 368 rotating nozzle. It is the ideal gift for your traveler. Let's go to low heat and finish off my hair. So, I really like that. That might have been some of the fastest I've ever blow dried my hair here at home using my own hair dryer. And my hair is nice and dry. You can see it's not frizzy by any means. It is still a little damp, just how I like it. But like I said, that's the fastest I've ever dried my hair before. So I gotta say, I really do like Bopcal hair dryer. The negative ions have definitely helped with my hair. My hair is nice and fluffy, and I feel like I'm ready to hit the day and not deal with any static today.